Ngalenkathi uNkulunkulu umthemba, uNkulunkulu uyakwazi ukufaka kwi-process ekwakha. Maseqedile ngawe, mase kupha umcebo, meaning a source of income, ngoba ukwazile ukuba disciplined and committed kule process. Some people pull away. They pull away because of different factors. There will be people that will be in your life claiming to love you, kanti bazokuphazamisa kulo process. Yes, they are capable to love you and have children with you, but lezo ingane ezosokola zizalwe ngaphansi kwesiqalekiso just because labo bantu are not part of your destiny. They are there to create a chaos empilweni yakho. uNkulunkulu uma ekunikeza ithuba isolate, ufuna wena ukuthi develop the feeling yongatatazeli, yokuba settled and peaceful and do things in your own pace, and uyizwe into moyikhuluma and uzwe abantu bebekhuluma and kungabi khona umuntu ozokuphazamisa kule process le. So accept isolation for different reasons, because uNkulunkulu uyafuna ukuthi ayinikele kuwena, nawe kumele uyinikele kuwena in this process. That is how the both of you will be able to work together. I like leli verse leSambulo 3 verse 20, ngimile eminyango ngiyanonqoza, uma umuntu ezizwi lami avule iminyango ungena ngidle naye adle nami. Ngaleso sikhathi uNkulunkulu usuke esedla nawe, nawe usuke usudla naye. So the least you could do ukuthi uNkulunkulu umamkele, umlalele, engene ngaphakathi kwena. That is a process of chastisement. Abonga lenkathi uyibuyanisa naye, uyangena kuwena, akunikeze izambulo, akunikeze ama-advice noma hlasibe akucije ngendlela akucija ngayo. Now for a change, zifundise ukubekezela nokumlinda uNkulunkulu. Ukumlinda uNkulunkulu kudala izinto eziningi ezinhle kuwena. Noma ngabe abantu beqina, ngabe baqina ngezikweletu, ngabe baqina ngezinto zabo, ngabe baqina ngezinto bathembise zona, kodwa it's very much important to wait for God to give you lento le akuthembise yona. Mohamba ngephesi kaNkulunkulu, not only you will be safe, nejourney yakho kodwa izokwazi ukuba ne-source of everything, life, nako konke lokho okudingayo. Ngoba manje inkinga into eshaya abantu ukuthi abafuni ukunaka uNkulunkulu masibena kabanye abantu, which is why they always go back. Umuntu ke ongaqashula ukhondo lomndeni wena akekho umuntu.